Welcome guys. In this video we are gonna do another topic, that is system goals of an operating system. So as everybody is having some goal in their life, there is something which drives them, which have them going. Similarly, there are some goals for operating system, or basically for the system. So the primary goal of an operating system is convenience of the user, which is usually in small systems, small PCs like the desktops we have in our homes. And the second is the efficient operation of a computer system. This is usually there in large shared multi-user systems. So basically I am not saying that these are the categories or this kind of goal is only present in these systems. It is present in all the systems, but in these examples these goals matter more than the other one, right? So earlier these goals used to be dealt in different way, and nowadays they are seen in a different form. So these two goals, convenience and efficiency, are sometimes contradictory. So this is something I just told, that these used to be seen in a different way earlier and now they are something different. What happens is you cannot provide both of them together, right? Convenience as well as efficiency. So in the past, efficiency was often more important than convenience. In the past, people used to think, okay, the system needs to be more efficient and let's put the convenience in the second place. Right? So systems concentrated more on optimal use of computer resources. So at that time, the main focus was that the system should concentrate more on the optimal use of computer resources and put convenience of the user at the second spot. Right? So this was the mindset in the earlier times, and the operating systems used to work that way. But nowadays there is nothing like that. Both the goals go hand in hand, as both of them are equally important. If the user is not comfortable, it is not convenient to the user, it is lacking in a very efficiency manner, right? So today both the goals are equally important, but in earlier times convenience of the user was put at the second place and efficient operation of computer system was given preference. As I said, now it is not the case because the operating systems have evolved over the time. So we are having an example. Unix was less convenient for the users in the past, focusing on the efficiency of the system. So earlier what used to happen was that Unix was less convenient for the user and it focused at the efficient system, but over the time Unix was ported with more user-friendly interfaces, many GUIs. So GUI is the graphic user interface, were added, allowing it to be more convenient and efficient at the same time. So what we had in this example is that earlier Unix used to be less convenient to the user and more efficient with the resources and the computer system. But over a period of time it evolved and many GUIs, that are graphic user interfaces, were added, which actually aided in the convenient and efficient use at the same time. Third point is identification of OS problems lead to the introduction of new hardware features. So as we come across the problems in the OS, we identify them, we have to come up with a solution, right? So in order to come up with the solution of the OS problems, we develop and innovate new hardware features. So identification of operating system problems lead to the introduction of new hardware features. Thank you.